Hello, welcome to another episode of me doing my own hair. My hair looks so red right now. That's so weird. I don't know why it looks weird, red on camera. I'm gonna insert a picture of exactly the hairstyle I'm going for today. This hairstyle may take me up to 2 days. I'm not too sure. I know the parting is gonna probably be the most difficult part for me. Everything else I basically know how to do. I've been watching tutorials on YouTube. I've seen other people do it on clients. I'm not sure if I've seen anybody do it on their own hair. So today I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna show you everything I'm gonna be using. Hopefully I don't need to go to the store because it is New Year's and I don't know if stuff is open right now. But I'm gonna be using the Jamaican Reggae style in the color 27. I'm also gonna be using the Jamaican Reggae style in the color 30. I just wanted to have like a variety of color. And usually I see people do this with kinky hair, but I decided to just get this Jamaican reggae hair. We'll see how it works. Like this with its own individual ones. I don't know how many pins. 1, 2, 18, 19, 20. So it's about 20 on this right here. So I'm gonna see how many packs I use. This hair is from this Amazon store. I usually always get my hair from them. This is the color 30. So, and the inches is 14. And of course I'm gonna be using a comb, clips, gel, probably Shine and Jam. I always use Shine and Jam on my hair. And ciao, yeah, hopefully this comes out exactly how I'm envisioning it, but we'll see. So yeah, let's get started. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to part for these faux locks. These are basically gonna be like a free part type of style. This helps the locks basically lay into each other so that they're not stacked on top of each other, kind of like square parts. I just feel like with faux locks it should be more of like a free parted style. So I'm basically gonna go into detail on how exactly I'm doing that. And I'm doing that without even looking in the mirror. Like, I'm slightly looking in the mirror, but I'm actually feeling everything. That's basically how I'm doing it. But in the middle of this video, I will show you a mirror that you can purchase that will help you get your parts absolutely crisp if you do not know how to part the back of your head. So right here you can see that I'm going to put a braid, right in between where my pointer finger is and where my thumb ends. So I'm feeling to make sure that it's going to be directly in the middle of that, so that when I go to part it, it's going to lay right in between those braids. Yep, right in between those braids. And I'm literally just felt my way through this. But I do recommend you guys to get that mirror that I was referring to earlier. It's about to come up in about a few minutes and you'll see the mirror. And I'm going to leave the link for that mirror in the description box down below. Make sure after you guys are parting, you are adding your gel to the root of each braid. You want to make sure you grab your gel, make sure you put it on the root and spread it evenly, and go ahead and start that braid so it's nice and flat.
Been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is, or way it felt so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's just one thing to do. It's just one thing to do. When you did, it's just one thing to do. So it's just one thing to do. Hey, we don't know each other well, so why I keep thinking of myself? Memories just keep ringing bells.
You literally just want to think of this as like a half circle, and every time you go to pull it down, you just want to make sure that that next braid you're doing is laying in between two other braids. Right here, I think my braid was way too small and I needed to get it a little bit bigger. So I went ahead and did it again. And do the parts as many times as you need to. Don't be afraid to just think you have to get it right on the first try. Y'all, I'm gonna say this. And let me say this. This mirror, my mama got me this mirror. This mirror right here, it goes 180 degrees. So if I'm looking at myself, I can see myself in this mirror right here. But I can see the back of my head right here. Like if I put this behind me, look at that. I can see my parts literally right here. So yeah, I can see exactly what I'm doing, but I don't really need this mirror too much right now because I'm doing a pretty okay job. I have been using it a little bit here and there, and it's really useful. I will say this mirror is very useful. This is what it looks like right here. Screenshot, do what y'all need to. But I think you can find this on Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below so y'all can purchase it. If you're trying to do your own hair, baby, that's what the men use when they be doing the little shape ups in the back, child. You trying to do the back of your hair, you use that, you good. You good. I just had to quickly say that. But yeah, get you one. Get you one.
Been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is, or way it felt so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's just one thing to do. It's just one thing to do. When you did, it's just one thing to do. So it's just one thing to do.
Now that we're at the front of the head, we want to make sure we still continue to do those round parted parts, but we're gonna place them going down from like going towards our ear so that they're not, you know, still all going kind of backwards like the back is. Make sure once you get to the front, you go ahead and start parting like downwards towards your ears. At the top, I did make sure to put a middle part just because that's how I usually wear my hair. Anytime I have braids, locks, or anything, I like to have a middle part just so that things can look, you know, symmetrical. So I went ahead and did a middle part and then continue to just do those parts, not as circular just because it's coming to an end at the top, but, you know, just keeping that same kind of free part going.